Hello everyone and welcome back to another Python programming video. In this video we're going to cover logical operators in Python. So the logical operators are AND, NOT, OR, and they're used to check two or more conditional statements in Python. In this example we're going to use the temperature. So temp, let's put some user input. So please enter the temperature outside. So in Celsius, 0 is the freezing point of water. So it's going to be really cold if it's less than 0. And if it's over 30, that's going to be a bit too hot. So here we have an if statement, a simple if statement. It's going to check this condition and this condition. And the or basically means if this is true or this is true, this is this is what's gonna execute. So let's run it. Please enter the temperature outside, 20. It's not going to execute anything because it's in the middle of 0 and 30. But if you put, say, 31, the weather is terrible today. Okay, great. Let's follow that up with another if statement. So elif temp is greater than or equal to 0 and temp is less than or equal to 30, then we're going to print some text. So if the temperature is greater than 0 and the temperature is less than 30, so it has to be greater than 0 but also less than 30, because if it's only greater than 0 then it could be 100 degrees outside and that would still be, this would still execute, but we don't want that. We want it to be in the middle of, in this little range between 0 and 30, or else it's going to print that the weather is nice today even if the temperature outside is 100 degrees, which is boiling, the boiling point of water, which is too hot. So the weather is nice today. Let's check. So if we put 20, the weather is nice today. If we put something over 30, or 30 I guess, the weather is nice today. If we put 0, the weather is nice today. But if we put anything other than in between 0 and 30, like -1, it's terrible. Terrible. Great. So we use the or, we use the and. When do we use the not? Not is to completely negate the whole statement. So if not, then if the weather is not less than 0 or greater than 30, it's gonna execute this one. So we're gonna have to make some changes here. So since we added the not to this one, we also have to add it to this one, just to switch things up. 50, the weather is nice today, which is the exact opposite of what we want. You put 20, it's terrible today. Again, the exact opposite. Like I said, the not negates the whole entire thing. So if you want to use the not, we're going to have to make some changes. So the weather is nice today. The weather is terrible today. Let's check. 20, the weather is nice. Still works. 35, the weather is terrible. Still works. So this is basically just the complete opposite of what we did earlier, but it's the same thing at the same time. So let's read this just for clarification. If the temperature is not greater than 0, or if it's not greater than 30, it's going to be nice today outside. But same thing goes here. If the temperature is not greater than or equal to 0, and it's not less than or equal to 30, it will be terrible. Let's try it out some more. 15 is nice. 30, nice outside today. 31, terrible. 0 is nice. Less than 0 is terrible. So, I hope you guys learned something new today. Please like, subscribe, and let me know what you want to see more of in terms of computer science videos, whether it's programming or anything else computer science related. And have a great day.